The key attributes of object-oriented programming languages. So basically these are known as four pillar of hoops. So let us see what are the four pillar of hoops. So first concept is about encapsulation. The next particular concept is about abstraction, and next concept is about inheritance, and the next concept is about polymorphism. So these are called four pillar of hoops. Let us see one by one. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is one of the four fundamental object-oriented programming concepts. It refers to bundling of data attributes and methods, so which are functions that operate on the data into a single unit or class. For example, if you are going to see at the bottom, you have a capsule. So the capsule contains the number of atoms together. It is said to be a capsule. So what it is doing? So it is going to encapsulate all the drugs into one single capsule. It means it is going to protect the number of items, and it is going to carry all the data items together. So this particular concept is said to be a encapsulation. So now, so in this access, what is access modifier? So basically, if you are going to see, encapsulation is achieved by using a access modifiers such as, so here already we have discussed about private, public and protected. So by making the data members of a class private, you control access to them, and the only way to manipulate the data is through public methods. So these are called as a getter and setter methods. So you can able to use this one, and you can able to set the particular functions, and you can able to get the resultants. So next, the advantages of encapsulation. The first one is controlled access. The encapsulation helps in controlling the access to the internal details of a class. Only the necessary details are exposed through public methods, and the rest are kept private. So next one is flexibility and maintenance. It provides flexibility in changing the internal implementation of a class without affecting the external code that uses the class. This makes maintenance and updates easier. Next, security. By restricting direct access to certain data members, encapsulation enhances security and helps in preventing unintended misuse or modification. Next concept is readability and understanding. Encapsulation improves code readability by providing clear separation between the public interface and the internal implementation details of a class. Next one, code reusability. Encapsulation promotes code reusability by creating modular and independent units that can be easily reused in different parts of program or in different programs altogether. So let us see the example program. Here you are going to define a student class name as student details. If you are going to consider, so here you are having a two different classes. The first class is student details, the second class is test. So here if you are going to consider student details, so here you have just declared a private string name. So even though you have declared a private string name, so and you have given a one method, so which is public get name. So by using this particular method, so you are going to return the name. So next, in order to set the name, so you need to set the name whatever the name, so which you are going to set from another class. So now, so here you are going to set the name by using a this name equal to name. Here we have created a class name called test. So if you are going to observe, student details is a class which doesn't have any main method. Test is a class which is having a main method, so which is public static void main string array arguments. So now we are going to create an object to student details. Student details is a class and where you are going to create an object. Student details, S is an object. So S is an object which you are going to create followed by space. And here you have created an instance of a particular student. Here you are going to use the object S. So now you need to use this particular method which is called setName. SetName, it is going to accept one parameter which is a string name. So here we have set the name and you are passing a parameter Pradeep. So now what you are doing, so you are going to pass the parameter Pradeep into this particular name. So this particular parameter is passed. So now this particular name is even though declared as a private. So this can be implemented by using a public. So if you are observing, both the setter method and getter method are public. So by using that name, you are going to retrieve the name. So you are going to get the name. So system.out.println s is an object dot get name. So where the get name function is residing, here you are having a get name. So it is going to return the name to the particular system.out.println. Let us compile this particular program and see. So now here it has shown the output. So Pradeep is an output even though you have declared a string as a name. So by using a setter and getter method, you can able to access the particular data members and methods. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.